Hello again, ladies. This is your co-capping coach, Sherri Paden, and it has been 9 months since my last chemo treatment, and I didn't lose my hair. My last video was, I believe, 9 months ago. That last month, it was in 2020, so now it's 2021. It's been exactly 9 months since my last chemo treatment, and I did not lose my hair. Wanted to show you how co-capping works. Let me turn the light on. I don't think you can really see it that good, but co-capping works. So it's been 9 months since I had my last chemo treatment and radiation. Okay. My hair did not pop out from the roots. I still have my port here, which you can see. So, that has to stay in for at least 2 years. So I still have my port. It's been 9 months since my last chemo treatment. And I wanted to show you my hair. Okay? And I show you exactly how to keep your hair, ladies, so that it doesn't pop out from the roots during cold capping. Check out my book, Cold Capping 101, on Amazon.com and on Barnes & Noble. It works if you do it right. Okay? For all you naysayers out there, read my book. They've been cold capping in Europe for over 20 years. It's my research. The research is in my book. So check me out, Sherri Paden, and I show you how to keep your hair during chemo, ladies. Save your hair. You do not have to look different during chemo. You can look the same. This is me, 9 months post Adriamycin and Taxol, the Red Devil chemo. This is me 9 months later. You have to do it right. Okay, so get my book on Amazon.com. The title is Cold Capping 101. And check out my book. Google my name under Sherri Paden. And watch all my YouTube videos where I show you step by step on how to cold cap and keep your hair at home. My YouTube channel is Sherri, SHERRI, PADE1, Sherri Paden 1. So check out my videos and check out my book where I show you step by step instructions on how to keep your hair on chemo. This is me. 9 months post-chemo. If you do it right, ladies, your hair will not fall out. I love you, and God bless you. Bye-bye.